Netgear WX3000 setup instructions and installation guide step by step in this video. Step 1 is plug in the extender. Plug the Netgear WN3000RP into a power outlet halfway between your router and the Wi-Fi dead zone. Wait for the power LED light to turn green and then connect to the extender's Wi-Fi on your phone or computer. Open Wi-Fi setting. Connect to the extender's network, that is Netgear extension. Step 3 is launch the setup page. Open a web browser. Go to the website that is as I'm showing you here on the PC screen right now. You can simply copy it. If prompted, create a login, username and password for the extender here, and then set up the extender from that. Select Wi-Fi range extender when prompted. The extender will scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Choose your main Wi-Fi network for one from your router. Enter your Wi-Fi password. You can keep the default extended network name or create a new one, example home Wi-Fi extension like this, and then reconnect devices. So this was how you can simply do it. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please subscribe to channel as well.